Number 1. Power Smart Cordless Circular Saw. Sharp blades help you finish the job better and faster. The adjustable depth knob allows cutting depth. Spindle lock, so easy to change the blade with the hex wrench. Comfortable grip handle for less fatigue, providing stronger clamping force for more stable cutting. Optimized ergonomic and lightweight provides ease to one-handed operation. The safety switches design and blade guard mostly reduce accidents in operation. Number 2. The mini circular saw is equipped with a 20-volt true brushless motor, which provides no load speed up to 7,000 RPM for more efficient and clean cutting. With 5.7 inches blades, the cordless circular saw allows you to cut multiple materials, including wood, plastic, drywall, tile, metal, etc. The brushless motor provides more power and produces less heat to extend the motor service life, ideal as a long-term use handy tool. The Scans compact circular saw features cordless and has no hassle of cables, offering unlimited freedom of movement. The ergonomic rubber grip provides comfort and maximum power thrust during any operation. Equipped with a LED work light, you can easily cut even in a dim environment. Number 3. Makita built electronically controlled brushless motor delivers 5,100 RPM for maximum performance and 50% longer runtime per charge. The brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. Automatic speed change technology adjusts cutting speed and torque during cut for optimum performance. Number 4. ENEACRO Impact Energy is designed to complete heavy-duty concrete and metalworking projects with ease and precision. Safety clutch protection is designed to guarantee your wrist when the hammer is 360 degrees. Adjustable handle double-layer anti-vibration system is designed to decrease the vibration effectively and reduce fatigue. A reliable heavy-duty construction rotary hammer is suitable for professional or daily home users. Rotary hammer will make it an easy job no matter removing tiles or demolishing brickwork. And it is suitable for wood, masonry, concrete, brick, and metal. Number 5. Brushless Heavy-Duty Rotary Hammer Drill. 20 volts cordless hammer drill with 4.0 Ah battery or charger, SDS chuck, 4 modes, adjustable handle, electric hammer drill for wall, concrete, brick, metal,